Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm Praveen and I'm gonna show you in this video how to write a measure if you don't want to show blank values in a column. So I was stuck in the problem as per the requirement is here. As you can see in this table, the customer name is given, category and city name. There are some different cities which are available and the quantity sold. And the next column you are seeing delivery ID, just ignore it, and this is the latest recorded population. It's showing the population in that city. So while recording the data, there are some rows which are empty, which are blank, right? So the requirement is that for the blank rows, I want to show NA in that rows. Instead of blank, I want to show not available or just NA in that row. So how can we do it? So let me show you how to write a measure for this. Well, I already wrote a measure, so let me just explain you how can we achieve that. So here is another column which I showed, which I have already created in this table F customer sales. So let me just show you the measure first. So here you're seeing population and city. I created another column, but this column based on like where the data is available, it will show data, and for the blank rows it will show NI. So I write the simply measure if is blank. I used if blank function, is blank function, that is read if the customer sales latest recorded population is blank, then after that it asks for the logical test if true. If this condition is true, then we want to show NA, that is I wrote in quote NA, and if the result is false, then we will trim f of customer sale bracket recorded population. So I use the trim function to fetch the values which are available in data. So let me show you in the data view how exactly this column looks like. Here it is. This is, as you're seeing, here are the data not available for the latest recorded population. So it shows NA in that rows, and if the data is available, so it shows data available, right? So let's see our table how it's look like. So I am removing this field from the data, and I want this field in the data field, and I just put it after the quantity sold. So the requirement is that on the basis of customer name and city, it show population in that city. If it's showing NA not available, so it's more like looks better in if instead of blank, right? So here we see the data is not available or not recorded at the time, right? I hope you gain some knowledge from this video. Keep subscribe the channel and keep visit the channel for more latest tech DAX queries and DAX problems. Thank you so much to watch this.